So I'm out in the country at my mom's, and we're in the backyard. Well, I'm in the backyard, and my mom used to tell me about going and walk through the trails in the woods, but I've never seen it because it's all been overgrown and trees have been knocked over from Hurricane Katrina a long time ago. And the trail's been grown over, but Joey, my cousin, has come out here and started to clear it again, and it is beautiful. It's like a little, nature park back here, right in the backyard, huh? So part of it's cleared out, and I just wanted to share my morning with you and the beauty of nature. We'll still have to cut these logs blocking the way. I was thinking we could make little seats out of them on each end, but they might be too rotted for that. That's where I was having my coffee. The camera's not going to do it justice, but it's really beautiful back here, and it's so peaceful. And it's just really nice having this in your freaking backyard. Loves me some country. So from what I understand, the trail went back through here, and somewhere down there it curved and went out through, went out through another area of the property. But I actually walked back all the way to the end of the property through the woods. Got my ass lost for a little minute, but it was fun. I gotta get under this thing. Here we go. It's really good to come out here and clear your mind a little bit from all the bullshit going on in the world. This is what it's all about right here, hologram or not. And I've never been through here until these last few days. I just never knew how quite beautiful it was up in here. So it's a good thing my cousin Joey clearing this thing out. He's trying to surprise his dad because my uncle owns this property. My mom will be pleased. She used to love come walking through here. She's afraid of snakes. Said she used to be able to run away from the snakes. Now she can't. So it kind of gets cluttered up in here again. And this all has to be cleared out. And I don't know where the trail goes from here. I went walking through here the other day and ended up at the end of the property and came back through the woods and sort of got lost for a little minute, which was fun actually. I enjoy going out somewhere and just getting lost. As long as it's not at night in the middle of the woods. But there's all kind of stuff through these woods. There's deer. There's, they've seen bobcats, panthers, all sorts of little critters. Well, panthers and bobcats aren't little critters, but so all this needs to be cleared out. But it's a good start, and it sure is beautiful. I'm sorry if this was boring for you, but I just thought it was beautiful and wanted to share it. I'm just thankful I get to come out here and enjoy it and get away for a little while. Came out for Thanksgiving. Had to get back home and do some more work, but I came back out and surprised my mom. Her birthday's Monday. I'll stay till Monday, and it'll be a nice visit. We've been making fires every night, making them on these tree stumps that Katrina blew down years ago, trying to burn away the stumps. And plus we enjoy sitting around a fire at night. The stars are all out. Beautiful, cool nights. Nothing like it. A little bit of paradise here in Louisiana. I mean, it's really like a national park almost, you know. It really is. Nature's all around. Up in them woods, there's deer hanging out and stuff. We see them all the time. Yeah, just got to clear away these things. Need a chainsaw. I like the way it looks when you're approaching the end. And you can see the way out. This looks like a little cove. It's just beautiful. Loves me some country, and I hate to leave. I'm gonna soak it in while I can.